Okay, tunes are back. Is Lachlan back? Can you hear me? Let's hear some voice. I can hear some voice. Here. Oh my. Is that a good oh my or a bad oh my? Yeah, voice is good. Alright, back. So, problem was, I'm at like 90 watts and I was charging it off my screens which can charge it, and so charging at 45 watts it dropped from 100 to 3%, but now we're on full power head. TBD Gamer, welcome. Thanks for dropping in. Were you streaming this morning or are you about to stream? You've joined me just as I've recovered from some technical difficulties, or maybe you were there for all of that. So to quickly catch you up, here's a mobile app that was put together by Gerald Wesley and Matthew Soka from the Xamarin team. They issued a challenge to improve it in whatever way you wanted. So what it does using Azure Cognitive Services is it'll translate things into a few different languages, and when you add a picture, it sends that up to Azure Cognitive Services, tries to work out what it sees, returns a description and also a highlight color. So it says, I can see a large waterfall, thank you. And found that this kind of mossy color is the main color. When I say add picture, it adds it to this gallery here. So that was kind of all built for me. What I wanted to do was add on a Blazor head for the same thing. So what that meant was refactoring out a lot of code from the Forms app into this TravelMonkey.core. So I've got my models, my view models and services in there, and then I put a Blazor UI on top. So I did kind of a fair bit of that 2 weeks ago on stream. I kind of got the base of the refactoring and got a very basic Blazor UI up and running, but it was still very ugly. And while refactoring, I broke several things off stream so that I could get it in for the challenge on time. Not currently saving. I fixed up the UI a bit and fixed a few things, but not all the way. But submitted that. Now today I've fixed the parts of the mobile app that I had broken. So for example, the way I take photos was using a plugin that doesn't support Blazor, it's Xamarin Forms only. Now the next step will be add some of the missing stuff to the Blazor. So it's been Forms up until now today, and now moving into Blazor for the rest, although kind of either way, half of it is, or most of it is shared. So I just finished fixing up form stuff, so I'm going to do a commit for that. Fix the take photo part of the mobile app by moving platform specifics into view. Keep forgetting, take away. Leave it on my camera way too much and not show my code. Just gave you a lovely tour of all the code for no good reason. I think I've done that twice today. Cool, so committing all the work that I've done so far. Fix the take photo part. Fixed error messages to the Now, while doing that, I did rename a few things, so I think I've broken the Blazor a little bit. In my add picture page, Razor CS, line 30, I've got an error. So in my Blazor UI, I've got my Razor and Razor CS. Photo stream. So I was using streams in my view models and in my models, but they're disposable and don't play nicely with what I wanted to do. So I've changed that to keep byte arrays in my model instead. The original mobile app was using Xamarin Forms image source in the model and view model, but because I'm making that shared, that type's no longer available to me, so I had to do a bit of refactoring. So here, back in Blazor, this is the code I wrote a couple of weeks ago, we upload a list of files, although I'm pretending it's only ever one, and I get a byte array out of that. No, file name has a stream in it. Oh no, image.data will be a stream. So I need to say image.data, that's a stream, yeah, dot to hello, hello. I think I'm back. If someone can let me know, I'll be happy. But I'm seeing these lights dance up and down now, so I think that's a good sign. So, there you go. Thank you, TBD Gamer. It's hard for me to know how much you have and haven't seen, but I think I've just fixed what I broke in Blazor by doing that 2-byte array. So I'm going to run my Blazor code again. Nice thing about working in light mode on terminal is that you can't read what all those warnings are. They're secrets. No, I need to fix those warnings, and I need to change to dark mode for next stream. Is my Blazor running? Yes, it is. Dancing Monkey. I need to move that into the middle of the screen at some point. Now, when I say add new, let's do a side-by-side comparison. So in here, we click add new, fix that gradient soon, tap to add picture. It's the same as that, basically, but platform appropriate. Choose a photo. I choose a file. That should be uploading to... Yeah, I'm expecting to see a string there telling me what we got. Let's see if our network gives away anything. I'm gonna add another picture, choose a photo. The way I've got this Blazor project set up, which is a client-side Blazor, not hosted, fairly limited debugging. So that didn't send anything over the network, which concerns me. So what do? We know that it closed the window, so it got as far as there, but perhaps the VM.post succeeded or failed, we don't know. And this used to work in Blazor, did at the start of the stream, so whatever we've broken shouldn't be too hard to find. I think I'm just gonna have to do some debug.writelines. Right, fine. Posting image. I don't think I've got anything on that error message, which is another job to fix. Posting image. Bytes are null. I reckon there's a reasonable chance that's where it... Oh, it did take a while, so... Let's see. Made a stream. And let's also go... photo bytes dot length to see if there's anything in there. And does a stream have a length on it? Yeah, it does. And one last there. Finally. Picture description plus equals debug dot. Take that one again. So just recently, but after I did the file new on this project, they have got Visual Studio debugging going in WebAssembly Blazor. You do have to have a .NET Core host running it while you're doing your local debugging, but you could still deploy it as plain WASM. So next week of build, I think we might be getting WebAssembly officially stable. So let's see. Result. Then I'll be more willing to investigate that. Because at the moment, each time there's a new upgrade, there's a few changes you need to make, but I'm currently on .NET Core 3.2 release candidate. TBD Gamer impressed with Blazor? Yes, I am too. I am loving it. Yes, exactly. No more JavaScript for me, please. Alright, I think that's enough consoles. Negotiate, negotiate. Kind of sounds like... Ah, I'm not even doing Blazor. I mean, I'm not even doing WebAssembly. I think this is Blazor server-side. Which means all this time, I could have just been doing this. Let's see if we've got debugging. The project I've mainly been working on lately, I'm doing all WebAssembly. Create host builder. Broken something. Already in use. That's okay. Where's that terminal gone? Alright, I guess that's one of the bonuses of Blazor is all the code is the same whether you're running it server side or client side, other than a couple of little startup things. Which is how I didn't even notice that I was running not WebAssembly here. So in my view model, good, got that breakpoint there. Let's get a picture. Tap to add a picture, choose a photo, choose a file. Alright. Bytes, plenty long enough. Now, console logs are down here when we're doing server-side Blazor, but they would be in the JavaScript console if we were doing client-side Blazor. Alright, we've got an exception. Good. Operation returned an invalid status, bad request. Okay, so somewhere in that to and fro of strings and byte requests, byte arrays, we've corrupted our image to a point where computer vision service doesn't like it. That takes in a picture stream. So, is that stream really good? Let's try that again. Choose a photo. File. Still got that file name there from last time, which isn't exactly what I want. That's alright, that'll be easier to clean up. Where are we up to? We chose a picture. No breakpoints are hit. Maybe because it was the same one I chose again, it's not running it again. What's this image? Alright. So I post by taking these bytes and turning them into a stream. And my stream, it's a memory stream. It's got plenty of bytes in there. Here, that's fine. Now if I step into that, so it looks like I'm all just passing in empty fields and stuff, and a stream, which looks okay, but then Alrighty, I'm gonna have to wind things up there. And I'll come back to this another time. I've just got a call from my boss, which I don't think I can ignore. So, thank you everyone for tuning in. Sorry I didn't get that bite array finished. I'll work out what it is and get back to you on my next stream.